Welcome to one and all. I welcome you all on behalf of Sardar Patel Education Trust. Sardar Patel Education Trust is one of the oldest and pioneering institutions in Anand, Gujarat. It was established in the year 1969 as a charitable trust in the memory of late Mr. Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, and the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India from Indian soil, world famous as Sardar Patel. We believe in his ideology to work in the longer benefit of the community. The modest beginning of the trust was undertaken by providing education right from the pre-primary level to the level of higher education. Today, the trust caters the needs of the community through 15 educational institutes under its umbrella, rendering education in various disciplines like arts, commerce, education, science, information technology, management, social work, public administration, paramedical, performing arts, etc. since the last 44 years. Since 2006, the trust is being run under the visionary leadership of Shri Bhikhubhai N. Patel as the managing trustee and secretary of the trust. He is a man with positive inclination and approach towards community service. Our science division offers various courses like Bachelor's of Science with Chemistry Specialization, Master's of Science with Organic Chemistry Specialization, Master's of Science with Analytical Chemistry Specialization, and Masters of Science with Information Technology Specialization. Our Arts Division offers various courses like Bachelor's of Arts with English, Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit, Economics, Sociology, History. Masters of Arts with English, Gujarati, Hindi, Economics. We have a special center for Masters of Arts in the regional language Gujarati, Folk and Indigenous Study. Masters of Philosophy in Sanskrit. Diploma in Vastu Shastra, Jyotish Shastra, Yoga, Temple Management. Bachelor of Social Work. Masters of Social Work. Masters of Public Administration. Masters of Human Resource Management, Doctor of Philosophy in Economics, Hindi, Gujarati, and Sociology, and several career-oriented courses. Our Commerce Division offers various courses like Bachelor's of Commerce with English and Gujarati medium, Bachelor's of Business Administration, General, and Bachelor's of Business Administration, Foreign Trade, Bachelor's of Computer Application, Masters of Commerce, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application, and the newly specialized course in Cyber Security. Sardar Patel Education Trust, with a noble motto to develop world-class and well-equipped dental lab facility in the Milk City, has set up B.N. Patel Dental CAD/CAM Lab Tech, where the dental technicians will be trained professionally and make them highly skilled to cater to the best career in dental services. The high-tech equipment for the lab has been imported from Germany to provide prompt and quality dental services. Our Dental CAD/CAM Lab is a stepping stone into dental technology. The lab is one of its kind in India. Dental technology and treatment has taken a major drift in its technological advancement in the past 20 years. As a result of this technological drift, demand of dental technicians and qualified personnel has increased by many folds. Today, in India, we have an average of one dental technician per 30 dentists, and due to that, dental technicians are not able to deliver quality work to dentists. We at B.N. Patel Paramedical Institute want to take up this opportunity to fill the void of qualified and certified dental technicians in the society. CAD/CAM technology is the most evolving technology in dentistry, and within the next few years to come, all the manual work in dentistry will be fully automated and converted into computer-guided work. To operate this kind of sophisticated instruments and technology, dentists will need qualified technicians, and in the near future, demand of dental CAD/CAM technicians will increase by many folds. Training dental technicians in ceramic work, metal castings, denture work, and high-quality implant abutment fabrication will lead dental technician students to have basic insight of dental CAD/CAM solutions in dentistry, and in turn, they will be able to deliver quality dental products of international standards to our Indian society. In the globalized epoch, to meet the needs of today and tomorrow, and to provide professional education to the students in the paramedical field, B.N. Patel Institute of Paramedical and Science, the Paramedical Division, was established in the year 2009, offering medical facilities. Some of the facilities offered by the institute are digital X-ray with teleradiology facility, medical pathology lab and electro and stress cardiogram, physiotherapy center, and a modern gym. All these high-tech facilities are offered at affordable prices. The institute is offering various courses like Bachelor's of Science in Medical Technology with specializations in renal technology, imaging technology, operation theatre, and anesthesia technology, and clinical dialysis, medical lab, and ECG, X-ray, and mammography. Under the visionary leadership of Shri Bhikhubhai N. Patel, Dr. Ramanbhai A. Patel as Medical Director, Dr. Atit Kantawala as Co-Medical Director, Professor Arpita Arora as Administration Director, the Institute is doing tremendous humanitarian service to the citizens of the town and surrounding areas. In the recent past, the Institute has undertaken medical checkup of 1200 police officers, collectorate in Anand, students of Commerce College, and senior citizens. As a part of Women Health Program, it has undertaken the mammography checkup camp of Anupam Mission, Innerwheel Club, and women community at large. What you just experienced was what we believe and stand for. We have a lot to offer, not just to our local community, but to the global community as a whole. What we can offer you is we can start an exchange program in the field of paramedical. We can exchange curriculum. We can also provide boarding and lodging facilities at marginalized rates. We believe in education to all without any discrimination. As a part of International Peace Project, we have already taken a step forward by joining hands with Sardar Patel World Police Unity Tour of USA to build Indo-American relationships. The esteemed members of police officers from USA had already invited our campus on 9th January 2011. You see things and you say, why? But we dream things that never were, and we say, why not? Let us join hands to exchange our thoughts on how we can reduce unemployment by providing skill-based education. We, Sardar Patel Education Trust family, feel very fortunate to invite you to our organization. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time.